Hey everybody, welcome to day 91 of my 100 days of eating only Keto Chow for all of my meals. Right now you got me smack in the, well, not in the middle, at the beginning, a couple days into, I'm using butter for the fat source for all of my meals. Hey, this is going to be a kind of a quick update because I have to get up and then we have to drive to Salt Lake because we've got a conference, like convention thing that we're setting up a booth at, like in 10 minutes. So anyway, yeah, today's day 91. Yesterday was day 90. I was a bit more verbose yesterday. We do have our Facebook Live tonight. That'll be at 7:30 Mountain Time. So 12 hours from right now, but you won't see this right now because it takes me a while to upload it. Anyway, so yeah, not much going on today as far as the 100-day challenge goes. Yeah, it's still going great. Still loving the butter. I had chocolate mint with butter last night. I'm actually going to record a video tonight of how I mix up the Keto Chow with butter. So anyway, I better finish this up so I can get it uploaded. I'll catch you all on day 92 and, well, tonight on the Facebook Live. So see you later.